Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage floating windows on this device. First of all, click on the square button. Now click on Floating Windows feature at the top left corner and click on one of your apps, in my case Play Store. As you can see now, I can use it in the certain window. If you wish to move it, hold this blue line and drag it. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button, and to go back to it, tap on it. You can also use it to overlay other apps by tapping on the other one and operating in both. Now click on Home button, and in order to get rid of your app, click on the square one again. Then swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!